Never being satisfied is something you're gonna have to get used to as a trader day trading the stock market. This is one of the few careers where a massive win will still feel like a big failure. Let's dive into this. It's human nature to dwell on the negative. Take this trading day, for example. Walked away with thousands of dollars, but because there was a loss and a red trade, we have a tendency to focus on that. One of the hardest things to wrap our heads around as traders is the balance between red and green and red. One of the best ways to get over this hurdle is to think of it like this. Ask yourself this one question every morning to put things into perspective. Would you spend $500 to make $1,000? Well, I'll tell you what, I would gladly spend $500 all day long to walk away with $1,000, right? Right. Make sure to stick around to the very end where I'm gonna go over a live trading example on this very topic. We all need to understand that losses are as much, if not more important to the success of your trading career and the longevity as a trader. I ask my members all the time to send me their trades for me to go over, and I always ask for the following 3 trades. A trade they're proud of, a trade that's bad or they aren't proud of, and a so-so trade. And you know how many times a good trade is actually bad and a bad trade is actually good? More often than not. And why is that? Well, because the only reason they're classing it as a good trade is because it's green. The only reason they're classing it as a bad trade is because it's red. Do you realize that green or red, it doesn't matter? Some of my best trades and most well-traded trades have been red, and some of my worst trades I've ever taken have been massively green. If you listen to one thing, one note from this whole video, it would be to only focus on the actual act of trading well. If you focus on trading to trade well, you'll never lose. It's only about the mindset. If your mindset isn't correct, you're screwed, period. So get used to dealing with red, folks, and get ready to never be satisfied and stop trying to trade like a robot. We're humans, not robots, and yes, this will affect us. I hope this helps, guys. Pat Mitchell with Tricktrades Trading Television signing off. Have a good one.